lips.
Yes.
So we love a bit of a red lip. So we've got a matching pencil and lipsticks, both by Kjaer Weis.
Yeah. Kjaer Weis?
Kjaer Weis. We're all learning how to say that. A couple of things when it comes to wearing a brighter lip. If you're not fully confident in wearing one completely opaque, you could just dab a little bit of this in the middle of your lip or mix it with a lip balm for a more lighter stained effect.
Yes, it's a little bit more subtle and not quite so bold.
Exactly, and either wear it in the day and then just wear a strong lip at night, or just to work your way up to the full matte red lipstick.
Full-blown red.
To make it last, I'm going to put the pencil all over your lip. But you could just use it as an outline, as a traditional lip liner would be used.
Yeah. But using it all over helps the lipstick last much longer, doesn't it?
It does, yeah. Like the magic pigments and however they make pencils just really sticks to the lip. So as we know, like even if you're like eating and drinking all night long, a lot of times the whole color will stay if you've covered the lip with your pencil first. So I always start in the middle, and Mel's got a really lovely lip shape, so I'm just gonna go with it. But if you had any sort of higher lower bits, one side that was a bit bigger or smaller, which is totally normal, you could correct using your lip pencil first. Or if you are a bit not confident with the line or where the liner goes, you can always start with a nude or a natural color first and then trace over it with your color pencil. And the pencil you use should match the lipstick if you want that normal kind of effect. If you choose a different color, it will be visible. So even if you choose a natural color with a red lipstick, it'll probably change the color of your lipstick, so you don't want to do that. And then this pencil is so lovely and soft, you can close. You can just drag it and fill in the whole lip. Sometimes, especially in the evening or for a little bit of added va-va-voom, I tend to plump the bottom lip a little bit, so a half a millimeter below the actual natural lip line, and then just right here in the cupid's bow, just a kind of almost an extra half hair stroke, and it just lifts that middle bit for a little kissy effect. So then, if you were applying this on your own, you could use it straight from the bullet. I'm going to use a brush because I'm more comfortable doing that. And I'm just going to saturate the brush, and it delivers a better, more precise application, even if we're going to blur the lines after. So you just fill right on top of the lip liner that you just did, and all the natural oils and waxes in these lipsticks will help keep the lip hydrated even if it's a more matte look. So you won't get that like dry, flaky effect. So that's a perfectly beautiful lip. And then sometimes for a more modern take on this lip is to blur the edges really softly, and it gives a bit of a more lived-in look. So you can either do that by taking a tissue and kind of blotting over the whole thing, or you can take a cotton bud and again roll it between your fingers to sort of get rid of any extra fuzzy, and then just run it really gently over the edge of the lip just to soften it up. It's a bit more forgiving like that, and makes it a bit more wearable and mistake-proof, really.
I think it's more modern as well.
I think
it?
it's super
to have
more modern.
That's more blurred lip line.
Perfect. There we go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.